Welcome to the world of Next.js in 2024, a world where change is constant and innovation is at its peak. Today I will take you through the latest changes in Next.js, the leading framework for building modern web applications. Next.js has always been at the forefront of web development, continuously evolving to meet the ever-changing needs of developers. In 2024, it gained a leap forward with its latest update, making it the most powerful and efficient version yet. Hey there, my name is Prakhar and I have been using Next.js for years now. The new changes have completely transformed my workflow and boosted my productivity. With the new Next.js, code splitting has never been easier. The new update has significantly reduced the bundle size, making our application load faster than ever before. With faster loading times and improved performance, Next.js is now even more suitable for building large-scale websites and applications. Next.js now supports built-in animation features, making it easier to create eye-catching and interactive user interfaces. With the new updates, designing in Next.js has become effortless. The live preview feature allows me to make changes in real time without constantly refreshing my browser. Next.js has also introduced new responsive feature, making it easier for developers to create websites that work seamlessly on any device or screen size. The Next.js community has grown exponentially in the past few years, and with the new changes, it has only gotten bigger and stronger. The new updates have made it easier for developers to collaborate and share their products, leading to a more unified and efficient development process. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to the latest version of Next.js and experience the future of web development today. Thank you for watching. See you in the future with more and exciting updates from Next.js.